In this video, we are going to learn to provide duration for the activities defined in our previous video, that is these activities. So we are going to define the duration for each activities in this video, and the duration will be as follows, and will be the same value as given in this PDF file. So this PDF file download link will be provided in the description, and you can download this PDF file, and you can write the exact value of duration in the corresponding activity. So let's start in Primavera. So at first, before starting to give the duration, at first we have to define the milestone. So in this project, just there are two milestone. The first milestone is the project commencement, and the last milestone is the completion. And in the practical construction project, there may be more than two milestone, but this is a learning process. So in this video, we are going to only define the two milestone. So for defining the milestone, just you have to drag this lower box like this to up. Then you have to select the project commencement, and then you have to click on the general, and from general you have to select the task dependent, that is start milestone. Then you have to change the calendar to the turbine calendar that we have defined in our previous video. Then after this, click on here, click on the completion, then click on general, then from the activity type we have to select the finish milestone, and from the activity calendar just you have to select the turbine calendar. So in this way we have just we have determined the start milestone and the finish milestone, and we have changed the calendar. And for the and in the similar way, we are going to define the duration for each activity. So let's begin to write the duration for the corresponding activities. So in this video, we can see that in the PDF, the value of the duration is given, and the same value will be written in the duration in the corresponding activity. So for the mobilization, the duration is given 14 day, the enter, then for this 28, then for this 28, then for the line acquisition 60 days, then 5, then for a civil work foundation 5 days. Yeah. So it is already defined 5 days. 5 days, and in the installation work for the material 25 days, 5 days. So this duration this duration has been defined in the Primavera, and you can see that the activities second stage concrete is not defined due to mistake. So you can define now also, and for defining just click here on the civil work, then click on plus and write the activity name second stage, second stage concrete and click on finish. So in this way, in this video, in this in this video, we have learned to define the duration for each activity. So in the next video, we are going to provide the link between this activity. So thank you and please subscribe the channel.